Resource locks, when you create a resource, can help keep your resources from getting accidentally deleted. It's a pretty straightforward concept and something you should know for your AZ900 exam. Resource locks prevent the accidental change or deletion of a resource. And the resource locks protect against accidental deletion or modification of Azure resources by applying a read-only or cannot delete lock at various different scopes, such as management groups, subscriptions, resource groups, or individual resources. Let's take a look at how we can apply those. As I had mentioned, you can apply a lock to just about anything, including the subscription, your resource groups, the resources themselves. I'll just randomly choose my resource group called Resource Group 2, and on the left-hand side, expand Settings, and then go to where it says Locks. At this point, it says it has no locks, so I'll go ahead and add one. I'll call this one RG2 Lock. And now we need to choose the lock type. If we choose read-only from the drop-down, then two things cannot happen. One is you cannot make changes to this resource group. The other is you cannot delete it. If you change from read-only to delete, then changes can be made to the resource group, but it cannot be deleted. You'll find that all of this information is going to be very important for your AZ900 exam.